How you guys doing? How you guys doing? I'm back. You guys will wonder that I'm opening a Euro USD. Yeah, you know, I've been working on this strategy for some weeks now, and I see that the strategy is so very effective. And all you need is Euro USD. Then on Monday to Friday, just trail around maybe let's say 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Nigerian time. So let's get started. Firstly, this requires a little bit of price action. It requires a little bit of price action. So if you are not that good with price action, it will be somehow hard for you, but I will make it to very easy, so with this strategy, I don't want to know you pass profile easily. So any amount, if it's 100k 400k, maybe just follow it. So firstly, you will want to set your you see the show period separator. Yeah, so that's why you have all these lines, right? And this one I see we need price action is that, see now, firstly from a daily time frame, you could see that this guy give us a breaker here. No, this very candle here, sorry, this very wave here, it broke this low. So for me, I'm expecting for price to pass, make a retest. After that retest, then we will have our sell to around here or here, right? And that is what price is doing right now. So that is my first conferences. I first know where the market is going on higher time frame. That one is a must for you to know. So the second thing that you need to know is that now you apply your trend line. You make sure that okay, you are not buying in a resistance and you are not selling at the discount zone. So that is easy. Then now let's go to the strategy itself. So all you need to do is that when you have applied this period separator, you go to 15-minute time frame. So I want to run some back tests for you to know so there will be more example. So I don't want this video to be too long, but the little example I'm going to run, you should be able to know that. So firstly, there is something like from higher time frame, we have something like a KM that is playing out, but not actually a KM. But I can see that okay, price broke out, a pass a strong support, and later on reverse, and we are having this generally having this. So once you know that you are selling, this what I want to show you now, you won't be looking for much buy, because when the news comes, like today now, I didn't mean I was buying from here. I know I'm not going to buy, but I can even see this head and shoulder, right? The neckline. So I sold from here, I took my profit. I know price is still going to make a retest, then continue. So you don't want to buy once you have known that okay, you are selling. You don't want to buy, because there will be days that buy like this. You want to buy, you want to be buying, going for this buy. Don't buy. Let price make the retest and you sell, since you know that you are generally selling. So now all you have to do is that we have Asian section, and the Asian section, see the period separator now. No, your Asian section starts 0 0, that is after 12, 1 second after 12. Your Asian second time starter. No, Asian accumulation, Asian ranging start at that very zone. The normal Asian time start at what I want to show us is that at the start of each day, this is the start of each day, and this is the end of each day. The start of each day, then the end of this day. 15-minute time frame only. So all you have to do is that you wait. You don't have to wake up in the midnight to look this. No, just wake up 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning, because that is the time that you'll be looking for your 5 to 6 your for this pattern. For if you have confirmed the pattern, just know that you are trading for that day. If you don't confirm it, you just maybe you look for other complexes to trade, or you just don't trade for that day. At least in a week, we spot like at worst 2 or 3 times in a week. So, and those days that you spot it, you go in hard. You go in hard. So what I'm trying to say is now is that all you just have to do is that, see now, you can see that I box out this. So on every day this plays out every day. It is only when you don't know how to spot it that you won't see it. So we have the high of the day and the low of the day, the high of the day and the low of the day. So once you can spot this out, firstly, and this actually happen as when the Asia ranging is happening. That is, the Asia, they are not, it's not that active that very moment. The Asia time, they are sleeping that time, so there won't be any major move. So it will be ranging. So you will have this time that you have your accumulation. So all you can see is that, and it's mostly start from around your own Nigerian time now. Just Nigerian time. If you are watching this from abroad or any other country, just convert Nigerian time to your time, so you get this. Mostly from 12 o'clock Nigeria, 12 a.m. Nigerian time to around 9 to 9:45 a.m. in the morning. So can you see this now? I've spotted my high of the day and the low of the day, and I can also call this accumulation. So it's like you are using AMD. If some of you know little videos of ICT, this is AMD. So we have the accumulation. Then after the accumulation, what we have? You have the manipulation. So, and then this is the manipulation. The manipulation occurs now. No, the very first place that the price attack is here. The very first, after you have seen your high of the day, low of the day, the very position the price attack, don't rush to sell, because you don't rush to buy. Anyway, the price attack first, just know that you are selling. If your price attack the upside, know that you are selling. Then if the price attack the low side, know that you are buying. But just make sure that you know your trend. Now, for me, all I'll just wait for here now is that I wait for, maybe I go for 5-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame to confirm maybe a break of structure, a break of structure, a change of character, or breakout of a trend line. Then I will take my sell. And the sell that I'm going to take, if I'm going to hold it, because I know that I want to sell this, but boss, I must have drawn this trend line. So I know that the sell I'm taking, and see after the breakout of the trend line, see the retest. You just make use of a big lot size there, then set your SL here. A very big loss. But though I will have entered from here. But from this very zone here, from this very top, then my SL will be up here. But most of the time, be targeting, once you know your trend, you be targeting 1:2, 1:1, 1:2, 1:1. So, but once you know your trend, okay, this, you know that okay, price is still heading to, as you can see now, see where I say price is still heading to around this zone, 1.04655. So now for me now, I will be holding. I am a long-term trader. I always like to look for long-term stops, trade setups. So since I know that okay, I will be selling this for a very, very long time, all I just have to do is that I will keep on holding this guy. But each day I'll still be waking up to be confirming. Okay, so you know I have an entry here that I'm still holding. see your 1:1 now, your SL here. See the reason why I say we should tight 1:1. You know, price came here then, but to price will always try and retest this box, the accumulation zone. Price will always retest it. So one price retest it is you take the sell. If it's buy, so price will retest it, then take the buy. So that's that. So the second day now, we are yet to have a breakout of the trend line. So I will do the same thing. I will spot out my high of the day and low of the day. See where price attack for. Price attack the buy zone for. But sometimes when price attack the buy zone, you know that you are selling. You have seen this already. See the breakout, but see it bought. But just because there is a breakout and see it respects here. So for me, I will go in with another entry here. Me confirming this M pattern, I'll go with another entry here, and my SL will be let's say my entry here, then my SL will be at the top of very tight SL at the top of the M pattern. So I have 2 entries now that I'll be holding. Yeah, know this. I know this already. This is the counter trend line, and then this is the major trend line. The counter trend line and the major trend line. So I'll do the same thing the next day, but I know that the sell that I've took from here, I'm holding it down to here. I know that already. No matter the consolidation, I know that I'm holding it down to here. So breaking this zone, I'll just continue to hold until maybe I see a retest back to this place, and I see now, and since then we are yet to have that retest. There's no retest. I was expecting a retest here. Then I'll look for the AMD again. Look for very good entries again. See now, I'm still holding my entries. Long term, still holding my entries. Still holding it because I know where price is heading to. Do you see that? This is so very easy to spot. So very easy to spot. Very easy to spot, and just make sure that you know how to follow trend. Once you know how to follow trend, then using these techniques, you can use it to pass any account. Believe me, I've used it to pass on AK accounts. So guys, and you can also use it for GBUSD US30, but you need to be so extremely good to trade USD. No, USD is so very volatile. So guys, that is what I have for you guys. And if you don't know how to spot this, high and the low of the day, just DM me. I can show you step by step. This is also step by step, but I will show you the advanced way of looking into this. So it's easy, guys. This is easy. This is like almost, if you know what you are doing, this strategy is like holy grail. So and I know what I'm saying, so I am enjoying it again. See here now. See, I took a sell from here. Here I took my profit. It bounced again. So I didn't take this buy. I saw this buy, but I didn't take it. So guys, that is that. Okay, it was even okay. It's a buy. So it's a buy, and the buy happened. The second shoulder line, then we sell, and we broke the neckline. So we have a retest to the neckline, then we sell, continue our sell. So guys, that is that, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and then try as much as possible to stay alerted in the free group. I will be dropping some setup on EURUSD. In fact, every day now I'll be dropping a signal on EURUSD every day, Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday I'll be dropping a signal. I've been using this silently, but I just said that let me share this with people. So you guys, if you are the type that trade forex, you are the type that trade currencies, you use this to make money. So guys, enjoy, and stay tuned for the next video.